Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Subaru Crosstrek Limited. This one's finished in cool gray khaki over black, $31,440. Faux carbon fiber. Not bad at all. Crosstrek is our smallest SUV, at least for right now. I wouldn't be surprised if Subaru added a mini SUV to the lineup. Not bad at all. What is it, 2.0 or 2.5? Oh, this is the 2.5. Nice. That would be why it feels a lot peppier than I remember. Wait a minute. It's a Legacy, not a Crosstrek. Huh. That's weird. I wonder if that's going to be in the other Crosstrek. Right. Intelligent Sport will be in Sport. Auto start stop is off. We are. Oh, I can already tell these don't slide. Small visors though. They got that right there. All right. For 2021, Crosstrek got some nice upgrades, including this 2.5. Crosstrek, I thought with the 2.0, pretty sluggish. A lot of people thought the same thing, so Subaru decided, you know what, let's put the 2.5 in it. I like that. Now we gotta get like a Crosstrek WRX and put the turbo in here. That would be a rocket. Oh yeah, that's way better. The Crosstrek really is perfect vehicle for New England. That's why they're so popular. You see so many of them. Now with the added power, it's much better than it was. I'm not saying it was bad. Oh, is that like a pre-run? Oh, that's sweet. Unless that's just broken, then that's not sweet. It's much better than it was. It was pretty sluggish, honestly. But big improvement here with this 2.5. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.